Right, I've not seen a good site here. I was wondering if these were up or down. I wondered if these were the previous ones or ones in front. These, unfortunately, still people's curtains in the window. Sod off, bulldozers. I swear to God, those flats have gone. I knew they'd be all gone, or at least partially gone by the time I got here. Or I thought they'd be up a bit longer. I thought they would go really quickly or more take longer, but they really have bashed them down. Last time I was here was Friday. And obviously monetary situations and stress, I've kind of not been able to come here. But I'm going to really make an effort now. It's been too warm as well. This is bad. Okay, so it's been about 6 days they've bashed all this down. Yeah. Sod off, bulldozers. Ugh. Yes, there was a huge pile in someone's bed here last week. Now it's the rest of people's homes. Sod off, bulldozers. Oh God, you can see right through now. You can see like through to the other side. You can see like the stuff that was beyond the houses. Sod off, bulldozers. Look at the state of this. This is just horrible, Robert. This is getting worse and worse and worse. Sod off, bulldozers. Look at this. Ghost town. Right, let's get the picture a bit smaller. Right, sod off, bulldozers. Look at the state. Sod off, bulldozers. Unless you're building social homes, sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Right, sod off, bulldozers. Remnants of someone's home here. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Oh, look at that. Someone's home. Sod off, bulldozers. Someone's home. Sod off, bulldozers. I bet these things are going to come down within days. It's very sad because I'm going to miss this area. Sod off.